did not have to do anything. I probably could have even popped this on just in the car. Like, that is how easy this wig was. I love the side part. Side part defined. The roots look so good. The lace looks amazing. This is so cute. This is like the perfect fun summertime hair.
When a nigga got money now, you done switched up on me. Now you wanna say what's up to me. Oh, so now you wanna make love to me. Girl, don't get the fuck from me. I know you thought we had something special, but you don't mean nothing to me. Girl, I'm sorry you not the one for me. Just be honest, girl, what you want from me. Say nothing to keep it so 100. I can't let none of these niggas get one up on me. I gotta tell you better run from me. Give hope to my niggas, them niggas love money. Adios to them bitches, can't get a hug from me. I'm high on life, that's what it does for me. My numbers going up, I feel a buzz coming. Young nigga, friends fast food and some fun with you. Cause I'm on it. And we like bitches with their own shit, we don't like gold diggers. Girl, don't get the fuck from me. I know you.
Okay guys, I am back. It has been about an hour and 15 minutes since I put the product in my hair. Let's do the final reveal. Ooh. Okay. Look at that hairline. Look at that part in that hairline, y'all. No baby hairs. I don't even need to use this, but I'm gonna do a little bit just to give it a little bit of volume right in the front. I love this little short wig. I didn't know what I was gonna feel about it because it is so short, but y'all, I love it. I love it. I think it's so cute. It even looks cute behind my ear. Y'all, this is so cute. I did put some big earrings on, but I don't think it needs the big earring. I probably could have done just like a really cute tiny little hoop or a stud. Y'all, I like this. Nadula. Okay. Y'all, this is gonna be perfect for the gym. I sweat on my face and neck so much, and to not have any hair touching my neck when I go to the gym tomorrow is going to be amazing. I love this. What do you guys think? I did not have to do anything. I probably could have even popped this on just in the car. Like, that is how easy this wig was. I love the side part. Side part defined. The roots look so good. The lace looks amazing. This is so cute. This is like the perfect fun summertime hair. Okay, all right, y'all, all the details will be down below. I will have a coupon code, the link, everything you need to know about this hair down below. You guys check out Nadula. Oh yes, baby, yes. Let's see the back. Let's have a nice little moment. Y'all, this is perfection. Super cute, perfect for the summertime. This is just an anytime wig. This could be a work wig, a workout wig. This can be a getting jazzy, date night. I just can't wait to get like all dressed up and just have fun with this hair. So huge shout out to Nadula for sponsoring today's video and sending me this cute curly bob. Yes. Nadula.